guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook ads course, I'm going to teach you how to create lookalike audience. Well guys, lookalike audience is like the similar audience who have similar interests, similar demographics, similar other aspects with your custom audience which you have created in your Facebook ads account. The custom audience can be your website visitor, your ad audience who have clicked on your ad and visited your website, then who have interacted with your ad, who have watched your video till 25%, till 50%, till 70%. So these are custom audience, and custom audience can help you to create your lookalike audience. Right now, let's directly get into my Facebook ads account so that we can understand how to create a lookalike audience. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook ad account. Now, in order to create a lookalike audience, first you have to go to audience section of your account. So for that, click on all tools, scroll a little bit down, and here you'll be able to see this audience section just below the ads manager option. Right, so click on this, and once you click on the audience section, you'll be able to see a menu like this. Right, so here if you have created multiple custom audiences, then you will be able to see all the audiences here in this list. So in this account, this is almost a new account, so we have already one list over here. Basically, this is the custom audience list who have visited our website, right? And still this list is populating. Now, in order to create a custom audience, first you have to click on this create audience button, and once you click on create audience button, you get two options: custom audience, which we have already covered in our last video. Now we are going to create a lookalike audience, right? So click on this, and once you click on lookalike audience, first you have to select the source, like which type of audience you want to select in order to create your lookalike audience, right? So that Facebook can replicate that data in order to create a lookalike audience with a wider number of users, right? So for that, these are the sources you can click. This is our pixel which we have created, basically which we have connected with our website. So either you can select this, or you can go to other sources where you can add your page, your website visitor, and extra ton of other things, like who have interacted with your ads, who have watched your video, who have liked your photos, who have visited your Facebook page. So all those custom audiences will be listed here, right? So right now we do have only one custom audience and one page, so I'm going with website visitors. Right, so select this as a lookalike source. This will be work as a source, and Facebook will replicate the interest, replicate the other demographics of these website visitors, right? So let me select this. It has already been selected. Now scroll a little bit down. Here you have to set the location, right? So whatever the location you want to set, you can set here, but the thing is, you can't add city. Let's say I want to add Delhi, which is capital of India. So you'll be not able to select the city. You have to select the country, whole country, right? So in order to create a lookalike audience, you have to target the whole country, right? So if I select the country, as you can see, it has been showing me estimated reach and the thing, all the things, right? But if I select any other, like if I remove this and if I try to select any city, you'll be able to see I'll be not able to select it, right? So let me select the whole country, India. So after selecting the whole country, just below you have to select the number of size, basically how many lookalike audiences you want to create. So you can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever the number of lists basically you want to create, you can select those number, right? Now just below you'll be able to see a scale like this, where 0 to 10% we have. Now what is the meaning of 0 to 10%? This is basically how close your lookalike audience will be look source, right? And 1% means the closest one, and the 10% means the widest one, right? So if you want to create a lookalike audience which is almost same as your source audience, so go with 1%, and if you increase the number like 2, 3, 4%, the difference will also gets increased, right? Basically the difference between lookalike audience and your source audience will increase with the percentage itself, right? As you can see, it is totally up to you. We are going with 1% and click on create audience. When you click on create audience, the lookalike audience has been created. As you can see, all the data has been here. Lookalike India 1% and the source audience, which is website visitor. That's how you create your lookalike audience. I hope you understood the process. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share the playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. Organic and paid both are in this playlist. So I hope you are learning from the playlist. And with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.